Vibrio vulnificus is a bacterium that occurs in brackish water and salt water. It's not just related to the Gulf of Mexico or Galveston Bay. It is not associated with pollution, and a lot of times people think that, but it's a naturally occurring bacteria that you can find at any particular time. It's usually worse in warmer months, and so you can find it more commonly during the summer and spring than you would during the winter time. In general, it is so rare that it is very unlikely, you're much more likely to be killed in an automobile accident. Vibrio does affect certain types of people, however. It affects people who have liver disease, it affects people who may have been immune suppressed, or people who have cuts. Those are the people that need to worry. If you have a chronic illness that you're not sure about, talk to your doctor about it. If you have an open cut, don't go in the water. That just is good sense for anybody. If you have cut yourself while you're in the water, get out, wash it off. Make sure that it keeps clean. And then if you start having symptoms, go to your doctor early. A lot of these problems can be averted by prompt treatment. Well, what does safe mean, right? So there's always a relative risk of doing anything, and anytime you go deal with Mother Nature, there's potential problems. Again, you're more likely to drown than you are to get Vibrio vulnificus. You're more likely to get sunburn than you are to get Vibrio vulnificus. So there's always risks that you have to try and mitigate. Sometimes people do die from it. Sometimes people have, may lose their limbs because of it. But again, it's a very, very rare infection with prompt recognition and treatment. Most people, even when they get the infection, do just fine.